Hello there! Today, we're talking about correlative conjunctions. Those paired words that help add clarity and balance to your sentences. So, what exactly are correlative conjunctions? They always come in pairs and work together to connect two equal parts of a sentence. Some common correlative conjunctions are either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, both, and, whether, or. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. You can either study for your exam or go out with friends. It shows how either or presents two choices. Example 2. She is not only a talented singer, but also an amazing dancer. This shows how not only, but also emphasizes two qualities. Now, let's test your skills. Can you complete the sentence? He likes both basketball, blank football. Comment your answer below. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about correlative conjunctions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!